Hi everyone, and welcome to From Scratch Stories. Did they tell you to wait until you have money? Or you should wait until you have connection? Or you should wait until everything is perfect? What if there is no perfect time? Or what if all you need is just a start? From Scratch Stories isn't just about overnight success. This is about real people who had little and built something undeniable with it. No exaggerations, no fake flexing, just a living proof. If you've been waiting for a sign, then this is it. Start from where you are. Hello, and welcome to From Scratch Stories, the podcast that crushes excuses and celebrates beginnings. We spotlight people who didn't wait for perfect conditions to start with what they had and build what they wanted. No hypes, no lies, just prove that small beginnings doesn't mean small future.